Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So, one of the very first things that you need to do when you get the Whipple Super Charger, what's going to happen is you're going to get the Whipple from Whipple, and I believe they're in Texas. Don't quote me on it. Then, shortly before or after, you're going to get the heat exchanger. That's going to, I believe that comes from California, but I'm not quite sure. I'd have to go look. But anyways, so when you get the Whipple, there's something that you're going to have to do, and then you're going to have to take this part off, the front of it. So this is the front right here. The Whipple comes like this, and you have to remove the bolts. There's 6 of them. And then what happens is this sits in here. This sits in here. You're going to have to use a mallet and lay this on cardboard and a solid, like a floor, a concrete floor, whatever you have. Carpet was taking too much of a cushion, but you're gonna want to aim this, sit this maybe between your legs or hold it down, but you're gonna want to hit it at an angle like this. Best way to show it is basically you're gonna want to hit it in an angle. That way this is, you want to force this down. I don't know the best way to show this angling. So you're going to want like that. So what's happening is there's like a silicone. There's a silicone that is inside this. Mind you, that's not a rubber mallet. It's like it's a 45 ounce mallet. But what happens is you hit it and it breaks the seal that's in the inside, and it's going to slowly start to come out. And it's going to slowly come out. This may or may not come with it. This may stay inside. It may stay attached. Mine stay attached, so I just mailed this whole thing to him. What he's going to do is when he receives it, he's going to set it so when you first get it, the bolts are sticking out of the top of it. Now they're going to recess into it. He also sends you new bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and do the opposite now that I have it back. And I'm going to go ahead and connect. I'm going to go ahead and connect this back in. So I'm going to have to go get the tools real quick to put these back in. And then give me 1 second. Alright, so you need a number 5. And then, obviously, these are the screws. But before you put the screws in, show you the back of this. So, there's 3 slots. And then inside, there's 3 rivets that stick out. You're going to need to slide this in and line that up. Obviously, slide this side in. And then line that up, which... and then force that back in. Alright. Man, obviously what I always do is you're going to have to turn it to line up all the screw holes. Which, again, I always first hand tighten everything in and then work my way around, slowly tightening it down. Kind of treat it like you would a wheel. So give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this, and I'll just speed this part up so you kind of get an idea of what I'm doing. Alright, so what I was showing is I took my wedding ring off because I don't want to nick anything up, and I don't want to nick my ring up any more than it already is. So if you see me without my wedding ring, that's why. I know my wife watches these videos sometimes, so she might ask why I don't have it on. Working in the garage, I usually take it off just because I don't want to get it damaged or damage anything else by nicking it. So that's the first step that you need to do when you get the Whipple. You just take that off, ship it to him. He'll give you the address. I sent it like a 4-day shipping or whatever. It was like, I want to say like $15. It wasn't much. And then, and I'm from Maryland and he's in Florida. So, and then you ship it to him, you get it, he ships it, he does his thing, ships it back to you with the kit, with the full kit. So the sooner you get it to him, the faster you're gonna get stuff to you. Keep that in mind. So update also, I mailed today the damaged part. He's gonna go ahead and weld that and polish it so it's gonna look brand new. The downpipe off the back of the Whipple that was damaged in the previous unboxing. So that's everything. Another shop actually took care of that, so it's not on Bobby, it's on the shop. He should have inspected it, but things get missed, it happens, no big deal. So keep that in mind. Other than that, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, check out whatever video YouTube recommends. It's just a quick update. I'm trying to do a bunch of videos today of different installs and different stuff for the car. So if they're a little out of order, I apologize. I'm just doing things as I go. So thank you for watching, and I'll be posting another video soon.